First things first, the bag. Mucho importante. This bag goes with me everywhere I go. You see it in every travel video. I took it to Colorado last year. My parents got me this. It's a North Face medium duffel bag. Literally the most important thing I own for this trip. Next, shoes. Mucho importante. Everyday shoes that we're gonna be traveling. Adidas Ultra Boost. Gonna be great for all the walking. Next, what we're gonna hike in. Hokas. I used these last year during Colorado. First time I ever bought a pair. Absolute game changer. Super lightweight, super easy to use, and they're used by my #1 fan, so if it's good enough for them, it's good enough for me. Underwear. Very important. I have to pack at least enough pairs to where I can comfortably eat gas station sushi and accept the consequences. Next, socks. We need as many as we can get because it's gonna be cold and wet and rainy, potentially. I don't know, I'm not a weatherman, but the more socks, the better. Okay, that was stupid. Next, warm clothing. We need layers, we wanna be warm, and we wanna be fashionable. Fall is all about fashion, so don't forget your layers. We're gonna stay warm and toasty because we're in the Rockies. I'm actually going to Utah, but that's like a reference to Dumb and Dumber. Next, beanie. Keep warm in the cold. Sunnies. Look super cool while hiking. Block out the sun. Next up, base layers. Now, I'm not really sure what to expect out there in Utah. However, it can get pretty cold, especially when it's fall time. So, when my normal clothes aren't gonna cut it, I always wear leggings and some sort of Under Armour t-shirt of any type to help stay extra warm. To go on top of our base layers, we're gonna be having normal athletic shirts. Just anything to keep extra body heat in, keep us feeling athletic, and best case scenario would be these will help us make sure that we actually don't even need to use base layers. That's the hope, that's the plan. We'll see how it goes. It's all weather dependent and altitude dependent. Next up, gym clothes. I'm bringing 3 gym outfits because even though we're gonna be hiking pretty much all day, every day, I still plan to work out because we're still on prep. Bringing 3 different gym outfits, and I'm gonna be visiting fitness culture, making sure we're ready to train no matter what and still get shredded is most important. Next, we have leisurely clothes. We got a couple pairs of shorts. We also have some long sleeves because again, it is gonna be fall time in the Northwest. I have no idea what to expect in terms of weather. So I will find out when I'm there. We have those ready to go. Plus, what's nice is those long sleeves will double as shirts that I can use on the hike if it's ever a super cold day. Big gulps, huh? Next up, we need a good hardy pair of pants that are gonna last us. I had to buy a new pair this time around. I got these off Amazon. They look pretty cool and they feel pretty tough. So I think these will be able to handle all 10 days of Utah. Continuing on the theme of not knowing what the temperature is going to be like, we're bringing a nice jacket just in case, and we're also going to be bringing the dopest hat in the game, which is done and made by Rochester Performance Ship. We're also bringing this backpack because we got to carry stuff as we travel, as well as all the computer stuff, camera equipment, things like that. Last, but just as important, some extra t-shirts just to hang out in, an extra pair of jeans to also hang out in or go out to eat for restaurants. Pretty much my plan is to hike, work out, and make any content that I can. I'm not that concerned with going out and about and looking pretty. Other than the toiletries, you guys have now seen absolutely everything that it is I could possibly bring with me on a fall hike. This will be my second fall hike going to the Northwest, or wherever Colorado and Utah are considered. I would say Northwest. I'm not a doctor. That is it. I hope this was helpful. If there's anything I missed that you think I should have brought with me, let me know. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you drop a like, leave a comment down below like I said, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, turn on your post notifications, and share the video with a friend. You guys know the drill. But most importantly, don't forget to have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God #1. God bless. I'll see you in Utah. The more socks, the better. Let's keep going. The more more socks, the better. Okay, that was stupid. Get up. Take two. It's way too hot. Next. Oh, my toe. Oh. Jeez. I'm gonna have to pull this. Let's see my legs. Oh, that'd be so funny. Continuing on the theme of not knowing what the temperature is going to bring. Continuing on the theme of not knowing what the I should just redo it from this point.